Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back for another video. So for today's video, I have a wig, try on, wig install, loosely using that term, but this is a wig that I did pick up from the beauty supply store, and I really want to try to get more into wigs, you guys. I really think that my 2021 goal is to get more into wigs and learn how to lay and slay them so I can have different wigs for my different personalities. You know what I mean. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is my first time trying to use a wig cap. The got2b, everything like that. This is my first time, so please be nice to me. But yeah, I really love the way it turned out. I am loving the way that this wig looks. I will have the details listed down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Like I said, I did pick this up at my beauty supply store. I wasn't trying to spend a whole quint on my first wig install because that just sounded like a recipe for disaster if you ask me. But if you guys like videos like this, definitely let me know down below by giving this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, what should I do differently? Give me all the creative criticism, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, give me all the constructive criticism that you can, because I'm trying to get better, okay? Trying to be like, wigs all 2021, okay? But yeah, guys, I know that this is definitely different content here on my channel, but I am looking to try new things, if you know what I mean. So if you guys are interested in this type of content, definitely give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm just so anxious, you guys. I don't know if you can tell. I'm like super because I feel like this is so different for me that I'm like, I don't know what to say. But anyway, let's go ahead, get into the video. Like I said, leave me all your tips and tricks down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, everyone, so I will show you guys what I got first. So I have some bobby pins to bobby pin my hair down. I did go ahead and braid up my hair into 4 little cornrows, just so that this video wasn't super long. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pin them up. I should be good. I look insane. So I have a wig cap here, a rat tail comb. I have my got2b spray, as well as my got2b glue. So I think we're ready. I am so nervous, you guys. I've never been so nervous in my life. This is my first time ever, you guys, laying a wig like this. I am not a big wig girl, to be honest with you. I am much more of an extension type of girl. Clip-ins, sew-ins, Brazilian extensions. Oh, I also want to show you my wig. Duh. This is her. Isn't she cute? I picked this up actually just from the beauty supply store because I wasn't trying to ruin a nice $200 wig. Oh, I'm so nervous. I know that you're supposed to spray this and just brush your hair back, I think. I have no idea. I watch so many videos, which is so funny. I need scissors. That is something else that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. I did also pick this up from the beauty supply store. It's just a wig cap. So I know you're supposed to put it on like this. That's why I didn't do all my makeup and everything, because I don't know how much you're supposed to spray, but that feels good. And then you're supposed to blow dry it. How are you supposed to know when it's like dry? I don't know, I'm so confused. I feel like it's not like pressed down to my head enough. I'm gonna grab some scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, so I can't find my manicuring scissors anywhere, so we're just gonna have to use this. And I know you're supposed to like start at the ear or something like that. I don't know. And like open this up. Guys, don't quote me on anything that I'm doing. I think we're getting somewhere. I'm not sure exactly, but it feels right. Okay. I think so. Okay. Yeah? Yeah, this feels good. So now I think you just go ahead and cut. Ow. And then you're supposed to like cut it. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. You're just supposed to leave that? I'm gonna leave it for now. And then I know you're supposed to go now. I look insane. Oh my god, this is hilarious. That's so funny. Okay, so now I know you're supposed to go in with the glue or the gel, and you're supposed to like use this to like slick this down now. I think. I don't know if this side has too much. I think it does. That feels like a lot to me. I felt like a lot. Okay, so now you're supposed to use this to like slick it down. Let's try. I'm so nervous, you guys. Bad, but it doesn't look great either. Oh god, this is like so out of my comfort zone, but you know, that's what life is all about, you know? Getting out of our comfort zones. Hopefully this is going where it's supposed to. Okay, so you guys, this doesn't look awful. Does it look great? Not by any sense of the word. I'm just gonna put, I don't know what to do, these two little tails back here. I'm just gonna stick them under and call it a day. This is just so fun. I love it. Okay. Ugh. I think that this is as good as we're gonna get, which isn't awful. So, good vibes. Good vibes. All right. Now I think you put the wig on. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous for this, you guys. Like I said, I will have this listed down below if I can. I'm nervous as heck. All right, let's put her on. Okay. I've seen worse. I did cut the lace already just because The lace pisses me off in the front. And I did try to lay it the other day, which did not fare well for me. Okay, not too bad. Could be worse, like I said. Okay, so now we dot this on again and try to melt it more, I believe. I'm so confused, but this is what feels. I will say that this rat tail comb comes in super handy though. I will say that. Okay, let's try the blow dryer again. Okay guys, I don't even think this is on straight, but it's definitely not. Oh god. Alright, whatever. So this is what we're looking like. I think I'm going to cut some baby hair in the front just so that it looks a little more, como se dice, natural. Like right here. Guys, I'm so sorry. My camera actually ended up dying because that's just the way the cookie crumbles, isn't it? So this is what we're looking like. I'm not mad at it, but I'm looking forward to perfecting it eventually. I do have some places where it's sticking up a little bit. It's not like perfect, but I think for my first time doing a wig like the real way, I don't think it's awful. I really don't. I know you're supposed to like do the top or whatever. It's a little naughty. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I just wanted to brush it out. It was looking a little insane there for a second. So I think it looks great. I have no complaints right now. I do definitely think that it can look better, and with practice, you know, and some like you know, practice, it will look a lot better, I think. But yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that it's super choppy and like really crazy, but I do hope that you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to look forward to new wig content. I can't believe I'm saying that, here on my channel, coming soon. And yeah, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye.